In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 reasons why your next action camera should be a 360 camera and not a regular action camera. I will be comparing the GoPro Hero 11 to the Insta360 X3. So let's get started. Reason number 1 is the invisible selfie stick effect. When you angle the Hero 11 towards yourself, then the selfie stick becomes visible in the shot. When the X3 is parallel to the selfie stick, then the selfie stick becomes automatically invisible. This gives you a floating camera which you can point in any direction and make it look like a cameraman is following you. Reason number 2 is to be present in the moment. With the Hero 11, you need to constantly look through the rear and front screen to make sure your shot is framed correctly, and this can take you out the moment which is happening right in front of you. The X3 captures spherical video. It doesn't matter where you point the camera, because you're always going to be in the shot. So this way you can be present in the moment and worry about the framing later in editing. Reason number 3 is selfie video with the invisible selfie stick effect. If you want to skip the whole process of reframing 360 video, then check out the brand new Me mode on the X3. This mode will record a selfie video with the invisible selfie stick effect, and there's also a little bit of flexibility in editing to reframe the selfie video as well. Reason number 4 is the 360 Active HDR video mode. The X3 can shoot 360 Active HDR video up to 5.7K resolution, 30 frames per second. In bright sunny weather, this mode will show more details in the shadows and highlights compared to standard video mode. Reason number 5 is 8K 360 time-lapse mode. The Hero 11 can film a time-lapse in 5.3K resolution, and the X3 can film a 360 time-lapse in 8K. Because it's 360 video, you can add a slow cinematic pan, and this will make it look like you set the camera on a motorized rotating camera rig. Reason number 6 is having 2 cameras in one. The X3 has a front lens and a back lens, and you can record up to 4K 30 frames per second with either one of these lenses. It's not quite as good as the 5.3K on the Hero 11, but it's still pretty good for a single camera body to record 360 video, as well as single lens video when you need it. Reason number 7 is 360 horizon leveling. Both the Hero 11 and the X3 have excellent 360-degree horizon leveling when you roll the cameras left and right, but when you move these cameras up and down, only the X3 can maintain a level horizon because it is a 360 camera. Reason number 8 is make vertical stories quickly. If you want to make a vertical story on the GoPro app, then you first need to download the footage to your phone, make your edits, then export the video, The X3 has a faster and more convenient workflow. You can edit footage from the X3 wirelessly without having to transfer the footage from your X3 to your phone, saving you so much storage space. At the tap of a button, you can turn your footage into a vertical video, reframe it, and export it ready to upload onto social media. Reason number 9 is editing tools. The Insta360 app has plenty of features to make your stories more engaging. ShotLab uses AI to add complicated video effects to your footage automatically. You can use ShotLab to change the sky in your video and make it look more interesting, or you can even clone yourself multiple times. Flashcut is a set of templates to help you edit a short highlights video to the beat of the music automatically. The story editor will allow you to combine multiple video clips together into a single story, and you can animate your 360 photos into a video at the tap of a button. The Insta360 app is constantly being updated throughout the year with new tools, features, and templates, but you will rarely see these kinds of updates with the GoPro app. Finally, reason number 10 is the price. The Hero 11 is £499.99 in the GoPro store without a subscription, and the X3 is slightly cheaper at £459.99 in the Insta360 store. You can also get a free invisible selfie stick with your X3 using my affiliate link in the video description. Overall, if you want to make the highest quality video possible, then there's no doubt that the Hero 11 is the clear winner, But if you want to make the most creative videos possible and have the most amount of fun, then go with the X3. That's it for this video. Hit the like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more 360 tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.